noticed, have you seen that we've got a new release come out? So if you don't know about this new release about AI agents, put in the chat, no, I didn't know about that. What's AI agents all about? No, Joy's put no. Oh, wow, this is going to be really good then. So even if one person says no, the rest are going to say, yeah, we've heard all about it. And I'm going to show you what it is. I saw a Bob. Yes. I haven't looked at it yet. Not well. This is going to be really good for you then, because we've got 24 people in here now, so that's not bad because it's holiday time. So all of the sessions are dropped down on the amount of people we have in normally. So I want to just share. If you go to our YouTube channel, and I'll drop this in the link, you're going to see this video here. That's just an overview of what's going on with the AI tools that we're bringing into Zenler. So also you're going to find that these are ones that we're releasing. Now there's a caveat, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to build up data from you guys. Joy, I am a mushroom. Right. So we're trying to build data to use, because you guys are course creators, you're on the Zenler platform, you've got information to share, and data, not personal, just data, like when did you start, did you move from another platform, this kind of thing. And it's important that we understand that, because we want to start creating and curating and being cited in AI search engines for our own stats and those sort of things. So it's super important for us to have this data. So what we have is we have a survey that you can fill out. Now, if you fill out the survey, has any of you filled out the survey for the AI? Just put yes if you have. Oh, you have. Simon has. Oh, Lorelei hasn't. Oh, you definitely wanted to do it. Andreas has. Right. Geraldine. Right. Okay. If you filled it out, you should be getting a mail from support at Zenler, and they should be saying, yeah, we've put it into your platform. It's live. Right. Now, if you haven't, for you guys that have filled the survey out, please send an email to support@zenler.com. Right, I'll put that in there, zenler.com. And the rest of you, you want to do the survey. It's like 2 minutes long. It's nothing. I'll put the support in there. So you have to do the survey. And what will happen then is you'll be the first in there. So we're asking you to do this for us, and then you get access to these AI agent tools. And eventually, I don't know how long, maybe about 2 weeks, we'll release it in waves to everybody, so you get a chance to jump in right now with this. So I thought I'd do this bit before I jump into the actual workshop itself. Right. So I'm just rapidly trying to find where the survey is so that you guys have got it. Rakesh sent me the survey link. Just 2 seconds. Let's jump in here. How are you all doing today? Are you all good? Right, I've got it here. And tell me also, because we did advertise this, so great, it's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. So I'm going to drop the link in here, and you get this funny thing come up, which I kind of a bit weird, but you get this kind of thing come up. You can click continue and you go through. I'm going to give you that direct link because that other thing's annoying. So if you haven't done the survey and you want access to the AI tools, and the AI tools are, and I'm going to tell you about this now, is one is a support agent. That means you can have a chatbot that's trained on your courses and your public content. You can just turn it on and it comes into the site. So what does this mean? This means that if people come onto your site and they want to ask a question like, is this course good for me? It will automatically answer them. That's 24/7 support that you've added in there. So you can go off for the day knowing that people are looked after by by your little support chatbot. Okay. And you can test it all in there. It's pretty cool, isn't it, Bryn? So the other thing is we've got re-engagement emails. This is super cool as well. So what this does is it will re-engage with students if they haven't come into your course at a set period. So say, for instance, that you've got someone, they just signed up, maybe they worked on the course for 4 days and then they sort of left it. and then after a set amount that you set, so let's say 7 days, after 7 days, if they haven't been in there, logged in and taken that course, it will send an email out to them automatically and tell them, hey, you know, what's going on? Can I help you? You've done so well. It'll also, right, and this is great, it'll also dictate where they're up to in the course. So if you've got someone that's just come in there, it will send a mail out to them and it will say, you just begun, don't stop now, you've got to do it. But people that are halfway through the course, it will send a different mail out to them saying, you've made it halfway, come on, just a little bit further. And also, like at the end of the course, so if they're nearly finished, it's like, make that last lesson. So that re-engagement email works out. Now you set it up, so you look at the tone of the emails that are going out and you decide which ones you want to send out at certain intervals. How cool is that? I've shown it all in the new feature video, but it's absolutely epic. We also are going to put marketing ones in there as well. We're going to put flow ones in there. We're going to talk a little bit about that today. So there's loads of other agents going in there. So get in there, do that survey and get that access to it. So I really want you guys to do it. And I know that things happen on the Facebook group and there's a post and then suddenly after a week it's knocked down and you guys don't see it. So this is why it's really important that I tell you about it now, so you can get in there, you can fill that out and you can get first entry. If you don't get a reply from support within 2 to 3 days, chase them up. Say, look, I filled the form out. What are you doing? Put it into my site, right? You can be quite stern with them. Don't be rude, but you can be stern. I filled it out. I did my bit. You can see the link there, Bryn. I put the link in there. So the link's in there so you can get it. Right. All right.